Uh-oh. About to get past.
All right, David Russell out of Hearst. Let's hear it. A very strong finish for Andrew Birkenhauer, all the way from Arlington.
How you feel, Dave?
Pretty on tired.
Did the smell of the barbecue bring you in faster?
I just ran to the smoke.
Ran to the smoke. Yeah, Elizabeth. Dun, 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 dun. Woo!
All right, Elizabeth Harwood out of Hearst says, "Go Rangers."
Yeah.
Good job. Let's hear it for Elizabeth.
Yeah, Elizabeth.
What are you going to do now?
I want to go to Disney World.
No, you're going to go to the World Series.
Out of Hearst, Texas, third place, Elizabeth Harwood.
Yeah.
She looks like a runner. Rangers baseball t-shirt and a girl. Congratulations. Chip time, 39.09. Second place out of Hamilton, Texas. First place, Mr. David Russell.
Yeah.
He's got the same color of hair as I do. So got a little more of it. But good job, David. First place.
Asterisk.
Ask for a birth certificate. Ask for a birth certificate.
45-49.
Got the asterisk.
D. Slater out of Weatherford. First place. Way to go, D. She's still running. Good job.
Does it feel tainted?
Chip time, 32.50. Congratulations, D.
We need to see yours and Obama's birth certificate, please.
Wild guys.
Oh.